So our near-perfect pricing strategy and marketing strategy means that we sell cars very, very quickly. And this one will be no different. Land Rover Discovery 5, one of the finest cars and the finest four-wheel drives you can buy right now for value for money. Of the newer generation, find me a better car for a family than this, with 7 seats, loads of space, modern technology, and really, ultimately, a fabulous exterior look. This is in Santorini Black and registered in September of 22. It's a 72. It's done just over 20,000 miles, and it is fabulous. It's a 300 horsepower, which is a massive selling feature. So the big 300 diesel engine with the outstanding selling feature from the exterior, the 22-inch 5-arm wheels, steps, full black pack, R-Dynamic exterior styling. This is a great looking car. And it also has things like the tilt and sliding sunroof, 360 camera system, detachable tow bar, air suspension, LED lighting, obviously this lovely dynamic grille, all finished in gloss black. It's a great looking vehicle. With 20,000 miles on the car is in a lovely order. It ultimately comes with Land Rover warranty until 2025, so lots of peace of mind. And you get luxury throughout with full leather interior, electric memory seat, Meridian sound, air suspension, adaptive cruise control, large screen interface. Opening sunroof is a massive one in these cars, and this has obviously got dual sunroof. So if I open the back door, I'll show you that in the rear, your rear passengers, whether in the third row or the second row, also get that sunroof experience. So it's just a fabulous car. You're getting technology, luxury, driving performance, an exterior look. So detachable tow bar, we've left that on there. It's a big thing, especially when you've got this, the 300 horsepower engine, which gives you lots of pulling power. You've got assisted tailgate, 7 seats, loads of space. Even with obviously the 7 seats up, we have space in the boot, you know, for weekend bags, shopping, whatever it might be. If you're using all the seats in the car, you can actually configure that 6 seats, 5 seats, whatever you want to do, and give yourself a big boot space. But let's go around, look at the car. You know, it's in a great order. You know, real big options on these, which you don't get as standard. Things like the black roof rails, Discovery Land Rover side steps, which are you know, functional but look great. Let's focus on the wheels, Tom, because it's a big feature. Finished in, obviously, a diamond cut with the exterior grey sections. They fill the arches. They're a real big selling feature of these cars. We've sold loads and loads over the last, well, since they were launched in 2021 of this generation. We've sold loads of them, and that is one of the biggest selling features of the car. Again, you know, the step, it's high driving position. It feels nice and safe. It's nice and big, but you get loads of features. So adaptive cruise control on the steering wheel, lane assist on the steering wheel, digital cockpit, PV Pro interface with wireless smartphone technology. I've mentioned the camera system already. You've got reversing camera, 3D camera, and with the top view camera system, you know, it's fabulous. Look at that. Wireless smartphone technology is ultimately what I love about these cars. So you jump in the car, Android or your Apple phone connects to the car, and you can use all your features through voice control. You've got digital climate control, heated front seats, and this is a big feature. So the sliding roof, which again, you'll see lots of these cars for sale with dual sunroof, but not all with a sliding roof. Black headlining as well. Obviously lots of space, a lot of comfortable features like the armrest and the extended little armrests that come up and down. Great car, great driving performance, like I've said, and really a great price for what you get for the car. Now, this is on the website. It won't be for very long. We're pricing it in the market to sell with our live pricing strategy. That means that like for like, specification, mileage, age, this should be the best buy in the market right now. Thanks for watching.